Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started an interesting chapter that is quadrilateral, and in this chapter, I have explained in the last class about the types of quadrilateral and also the types of parallelogram. So, a parallelogram which is opposite sides are parallel, and types of parallelogram. There are three types of parallelogram: square, for all four sides are equal and measure of its angle is 90. Then rectangle, opposite sides are equal and measure of its angle is 90 degree. And rhombus, all the sides are equal. And also we learn about trapezium, one of the pair is parallel, and also about kite. Clear? So here first of all, you have to remember all the properties. Those are given as theorems in your textbook. So I hope what I have discussed in the last class, all of you have understood. In case any doubt, you can get back to me. Today I am going to start quadrilateral exercise 8.1. Question number 1. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. See, as we know that in a quadrilateral there are 4 angles, and the ratio of the 4 angles are 3:5:9:13. You need to find the measure of each angle. This is the ratio. So let the angles are 3x, 5x, 9x, and 13x. Suppose this is the figure, rough figure, that this angle is 3x, the measure of this angle is 5x, this one is 9x, this one is 13x. Okay? Then all of you know the angles of property of quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Means the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Yes? So here I have written 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360, because sum of the 4 angles is 360. Then if you add this 4 angles, then you will get 30x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 by 30, 0 0 cancel, 3 12 are 36. So therefore the value of x is 12. So the angles are what? 3x. The value of x is what? 12. So 3x is 3 12 are 36. Then 5 12 are 60 degree. Then 9 12 are 108 and 13 12 are 156. Therefore the angles are 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 and 156. Question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. See, in generally, what are the properties of parallelogram? In a parallelogram, we can find the diagonals are bisect each other, but they are not equal. And also opposite sides are equal. And opposite angles are equal. But diagonals are not equal. But it is given in the question, especially that if diagonals are equal, then it's become a rectangle. Clear? Let ABCD be a parallelogram. According to question, if ABCD is a parallelogram, then we get AC and BD are the diagonals. And it is given that diagonal BD is equal to diagonal AC. Now we need to prove that, means to prove ABCD is a rectangle. So now to prove rectangle, what do we need? We need that opposite sides are equal and measure of each angle is 90. Yes or no? Okay. So to get opposite sides are equal, since it is a parallelogram, in parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. It is a property of parallelogram or not? So in rectangle also you need opposite sides are equal, so it is okay. So opposite sides are equal, you are getting, since ABCD is a parallelogram. But we need measure of each angle is 90 degree. So for this, I am taking two triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle DCB. ABC and DCB. Why? Because if we can show these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that this angle and this angles are what? Equal. Means angle B is equal to angle C. Yes or no? So try to show angle B is equal to angle C. So in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, you can see BC is the common base. So BC equal to BC common. And also AB is equal to DC. Why? Because ABCD is a parallelogram and these are the opposite sides. There is I have written opposite sides of the parallelogram. And AC is equal to DB. This AC and DB, it is given in the question. Diagonal BD and diagonal AC is equal. That is why I have written AC is equal to DB. So now all the three sides of triangle ABC is equal to the three sides of triangle DCB. So using SSS, triangle ABC congruent triangle DCB. So these two triangles are congruent. So we get this angle. This angle means angle ABC and angle DCB. Okay. Since angle ABC plus angle DCB what is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because AB parallel to DC. This BC will be the what? Transversal. Then sum of this angle is what? 180 degree. And also I have told you that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Why? Because these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. And already we got that angle ABC is angle DCB. And the sum of these two angles is what? 180. That means measure of each angle is 90. Means ABC is equal to DCB is equal to 90. Okay. So after getting these angles are 90 means we got angle B is 90, angle C is 90. Okay. Now ABCD is what? Parallelogram or not? So angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. That is why I have written angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 90. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay. So now we get AB is equal to DC, means opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Why? It is given in the question that ABCD is a parallelogram. And also we have proved that angle A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 90 degree. Okay. That means opposite sides are equal and each measure of each angle is 90 degree. So we can say that ABCD is a rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this sum. Next. Question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Try to understand. They have given condition that diagonals of a quadrilateral, if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other, means in a quadrilateral diagonals are bisect each other at right angles, then it will become a rhombus. Suppose means let ABCD is a quadrilateral. Then according to question, AC and BD diagonals bisect. Suppose they bisect each other at O. And also according to question at right angles. That means these angles are 90 degree. That is why I have written also AC and BD diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. And angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle AOD. These angles is how much? 90 degree. To prove, one need to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now see, to prove rhombus, what do you need? We need what? All the sides are equal. Because to prove rhombus, we need all the sides are equal. So it means we have to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay. In triangle AOD and triangle COD. Okay, I am taking triangle AOD and COD, these two triangles. Okay, we have OA is equal to OC, since diagonals are bisect each other, it is given. Angle AOD is equal to angle COD, each 90 degree, I have shown here. And this OD is common. So using SAS, we can say that this triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. So we have proved that triangle AOD congruent to triangle COD. If these two triangles are congruent, then AD and CD are the corresponding sides. So according to CPCT, we can say that AD is equal to CD, CPCT. Okay. Now see, we got AD is equal to CD. See, that diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. We have got one theorem. If in a quadrilateral the diagonals are bisect each other, then it will become a parallelogram. We got a theorem. If you use that theorem, we can write using theorem. Understood? Because according to theorem, we got if in a quadrilateral diagonals are bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So using theorem, ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal, means AB is equal to DC or BC is equal to AD. I have written AB is equal to CD or AD is equal to BC. Okay, in number 1 we got AD and CD equal. See, AD and CD are equal in number 1. If you give number 1 this one, AD is equal to CD you got, and you see AD is equal to CD you got, and also we have got that ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AD is equal to BC and CD is equal to AB. That means what? All the sides are equal. That is why I have written this is number to this number, and from 1 and 2, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, means all the sides are equal. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. See, already I told you the theorems and the properties are very, very important to solve exercise 8.1. Those who understood clearly the properties of parallelograms, I hope they can solve this question easily. That is why I told you, in case any confusion regarding the properties of parallelogram, please contact me. Okay. At first you clear the concept, then you can solve this question easily. Okay. So for your positive confidence, I have given 2 homeworks. Homework question number 4 and 5. Okay. Exercise 8.1 question number 4 and 5. Please try to solve these questions by yourself and submit it in the evening. Thank you.